This recipe is for seafood lovers, mainly lovers of mussels. This recipe is my favorite way to eat them. Let's get in the kitchen. So first of all, you're going to start by giving your mussels a good scrub. Get the back of a spoon. There's debris on the mussels. Just scrape it off until it's all gone. Sometimes in the meat itself, you might have this little hairy thing. Just go ahead and pull it out. Give them a wash. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And for those of you who are just passing through, thank you so much for coming by. Don't forget to give this video a like and share it if possible. Once you have all your items prepped, this dish should take you about 10 minutes to complete. Now let's get into what I'll use. I have 2 chopped shallots. I have 3 crushed cloves of garlic. I'm going to use a few knobs of butter, a couple of sprigs of thyme, some finely chopped parsley, and you're going to need just under half a tablespoon of gochujang. Going to saute in a pan you're going to go in with the butter, the shallots, the garlic, then we're going to add the parsley, going to add the gochujang paste, and a bit of about half a cup of water, and just add your mussels. Now I'm not going to talk too much in this video. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just sit back, enjoy, and make sure you try this recipe. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Enjoy the video.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules.
These mussels are already cooked, so this process shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. I put them face down, then let them cook for about 1.5 minutes, then I just keep turning.
I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that she could rely of a little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moved.